All right, sorry about that. First time with this. My name's Larry Ceppos. I'm with SESCO Lighting. We are a manufacturer's representative of lighting fixture manufacturer's representative for lighting fixture companies. We are by far the largest in North America. We've got almost 300 employees and about $300 million in sales, and represent some of the finest companies in the world. Why would I be up here right now when we have people from the city and SimCon and Signify and from Acuity sitting up here on the panel? My company is the people that are in the weeds. They're the feet on the street. We are the ones that are going to be going and visiting with the municipalities and talking day in and day out. When there's an issue that comes up or an opportunity that comes or communication, we're the people that are local, that are working with the people that are going to be using the smart city technology. And I'm moving a little bit fast because I am more interested to hear what they have to say than about what I'm going through. But one of the things that manufacturers' representatives are in the process of doing is smart city and integrated lighting or connected lighting as turned digital. Is we are in the process of seeking out companies that are at the forefront of this technology. The goal is to find people like Signify and Acuity or SimCon that are at the forefront and that enable us to be in this position. Typically, a manufacturer's representative calls on architects and engineers. We get products specified for construction on jobs, and then we work with contractors to sell it. This world of connected lighting is completely different. The way to market is different. You need to spend time with municipalities. We need to spend time talking to civic leaders. It's a very different approach because there's certain things about it that are emotionally, that are highly charged, and are also, when talking about sustainability, it is incredibly important that it works. And I don't think you mentioned about the 3 pillars yet.
It's coming.
It's coming. So one of them is certainly is about economic feasibility. If there's not a way to make it economically feasible, it makes it very difficult to deploy, no matter how good it is for the city. Just a little bit about us being 50 years old. We've got 14 offices in 5 different states. So Florida, Georgia, Tennessee, Alabama, Mississippi. One of the things that we've done that's different than most is that we've established corporate divisions, one of which that relates to this is for the public sector. These divisions are specifically geared to the market that it says on here. We do things from stock and flow with traditional distributors, but our public sector also calls on transit engineers, municipalities, larger cities, utilities, co-ops, to try and bring the products and the opportunities that are currently out and available that they may not know about. So education is a big part of what we do on behalf of our manufacturers and on behalf of the people that we work with. I guess I have that one I could look at too. One of the things that's changed also and moving forward is offering lighting as a service. So not only do we provide the products that somebody wants to buy, but we provide design services. Of course, we do the sales. We do turnkey installation. We have relationships with with contractors, developers, and electrical contractors. We now provide different forms of financing for both public entities and private. We do systems integration. We are in the process of expanding our IT department to start building our own APIs and developing software depending upon what the function is that the municipality or the end user has. We do the commissioning, and we also do performance-based contracts and get involved in P3 situations. So it's that completely separates us from what the traditional rep does. Traditionally, a rep is a mom and pop's type of a situation. They may have a few markets that they work with. They're not of the magnitude or have the resources that we do. So I don't say we're a unicorn. There's maybe 1 or 2 other agencies in the country that have the capabilities that we do. And the other thing that kind of separates us a little bit is that we're an ESOP. So we are an employee-owned company, which means that everybody has a vested interest in seeing things survive. The last thing is that we do have a guarantee. Our manufacturers provide warranties with their product, but what we put up on our website that's unique to the market, or I've never seen anyplace else, is that if you have a problem with a product you bought with us, we fix it. We don't ask who caused the problem or what did it. It's about taking care of the customer in the situation first, then we worry about the money later on. Hopefully the whole city doesn't go black at once, but other than that, I appreciate the opportunity to do this. I feel kind of like the tail wagging the dog on this one, but thank you for the opportunity.